Hi, my name is Nicole Yeritza Ruiz Castañeda. Material Desing. Task 1. The role of the material designer. Tutors Diana Constanza Cruz. What was the conception of materials development decades ago? Material development was simply the production that accompanied a wide of the learning resource for illustrating methods. However, things have started to change due to the awareness of teachers on two issues. First, the enormous production in the interest of the methodologies and material used for teaching, and second, the importance of including student voice to the teaching material in terms of how the students would like learning and what they need to learning in today's increasingly globalized world. Reflective and practical. 1. Raises awareness of teaching and learning process. 2. Fosters teacher development. 3. Allows teachers to act agents of innovation. Reflection and action. What does developing material demand from teachers? 1. Encourage learning activities in pairs and in groups. 2. Enhance motivation. 3. Improve self-esteem. 4. Reduce anxiety. 5. Tap the class in an opportunity of learn. And 6. Encourage motivation, interaction, and long-term learning. Relevance and motivation for students. What are the components of creating and adapting didactic learning materials? Market the most of their creativity and involving the development of teaching materials we pay attention to the components that let us know the captivate path to materials development. Need assessment. Setting goals and objectives. Content. Selecting and developing material and activities. Organizing conduct and activity. Evaluation and resources and constraints. In your opinion, what is the principal role of the teacher when designing language learning materials? In my opinion, the main role of the teacher when designing language learning material is to the respective goal visualize each of the process and mainly work with love and good energy so that they can design good teaching materials. Reference. Thank you.